This is Paul, the 2020 planner.
Yes.
hmm Now, I just wanted you to understand
Yeah.
that I'm living in a rented room where there is no utilities.
Yeah.
And it was below freezing last night. Now, we have a new situation called COVID-19.
Yes.
And I'm having to make some significant changes to my personal life
Yes.
because of a virus. Now, daylight savings time began.
Yeah.
We had an election that I wasn't able to participate in.
No.
And then today is Sunday the 15th.
Right.
Library's open one more day.
Yeah.
And then it's closed until the 31st. And from the 17th until the 31st, I have to find something else to do.
Yeah.
Now, as much as you have enjoyed me uploading videos,
Yes.
it's causing me some considerable concern about what am I going to do. I think I'm going to have to open two new drives.
Yeah.
Probably Trees and Videos 40 and Trees and Videos 41. And then I'm going to have to upload them in their full amount of megabytes.
Yeah.
And then when the library opens after the end of the month,
Yeah.
I'll probably have to go through and download all of them and upload all of them, and then I will make them 1/10 their size.
Yes.
Now, as much as I dislike having to open new Trees and Video folders,
Yeah.
it would be so nice if you would just enforce my civil rights today. But I'll do it.
Yeah.
And then I'll have to stay in the rented room where there is no utilities.
Yeah.
Because it should be nice this week.
Yeah.
Approximately 50 degrees. Now, looking at my scheduling,
Yes.
I have a considerable amount of inconvenience.
Yeah.
Because I can't live at the McDonald's.
No.
I can't live at the hospital.
Mm-mm.
And then there's the idea that I'm not going to have any food and I have to go to the food bank.
Yeah.
Now, the thought was that I could double the number of NA meetings a day.
Yes.
And then there's the concern of how am I going to survive the COVID-19 crisis?
Yeah.
But I can tell you this, by the end of the month, I'll make sure and document lots of federal questions.
Yes.
Where district courts can hear the question because I'm not necessarily going to settle.
Phew.
Now, a lot of attorneys, they immediately think, am I legally liable for the attorney oath?
Yes.
Has this ever been tried in a district court case?
Yes.
Where a citizen asked an attorney that was not a client, are you legally obligated for the oath that you swore at the time of joining the bar? It's a federal question. Now, for any judge that says, no, you're not legally liable.
Yes.
We don't need any attorney oaths for any of those that join bars. So for all the federal judges that thought, well, we're going to deprive him of his right to $750,000
Yes.
for each and every state attorney
Yes.
that has any knowledge of the violating of the attorney oath. I will sue that judge for making void any enforcement of the actual attorney oath itself.
Yeah.
Now, there are a number of other bullet points in the attorney oath, but I'm focused on this one question. Do you have to support the laws?
Yes.
Do you have to support the state constitution? Do you have to support federal laws?
Yes.
And do you have to support the United States Constitution? Now, there's no way around this question. It's either a yes or no question. For every attorney that says no, he's not my client, poach, I would say that any knowledge of felony, forgery, kidnapping, you just say no in a federal district court,
Yes.
and I'll sue the judge for not making you pay. Now, for all the judges that said you can't use the courts this way, I'm telling you I can.
Yes.
See, it's one plaintiff,
Yes.
one defendant,
Yes.
known as an attorney.